Some advice if you are thinking about trying affiliate marketing. Breaking into the affiliate marketing business can be a fairly daunting task if you do not have guidance. There is a huge array of affiliate companies, all with varying products, rules, and commission structures. With a little guidance from these tips, however, you can formulate a strategy that will limit risk while maximizing revenue. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. If you are ever going to make money in the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you buy a domain name. While this may seem obvious, the novice may not know what affiliate advertising entails. You should try to get a domain name that fits your product perfectly. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a content-rich affiliate website. It is good practice to have content which is in line with the merchant's product offering. This ensures that your visitors are interested in the products your merchant sells, which helps you to send more customers to your merchant. Take the time to go through all of the advertisements that you choose. Change them out on a regular basis. Think about what your readers might want to learn more about or may enjoy purchasing. This will keep your readers happy and introduce them to new ideas on a consistent basis. No business endeavor is completely free of risk, but there are certainly ways to minimize that risk. The tips above provide a solid foundation that will help you to create and maintain a healthy affiliate marketing business. Once you bite the bullet and start making money, you'll be glad that you watched this video. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.